Good Monday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather. Taking a quick look at your evening weather log here for the next couple of days. And really, we got some interesting stuff to talk about with a cold front on its way. But till then, tomorrow is going to continue onward with partly cloudy skies, partly mostly sunny, or well, partly cloudy to partly, partly cloudy to mostly sunny, I should say, there with highs in the nearing 70 degrees in some locations, in the upper 60s elsewhere. Going to be the warmest day of the week, and we cool back off some as we go on Wednesday. 10% chance overnight of some rainfall or late that afternoon and evening, with some partly cloudy skies. Highs in the 60s and 50s. Overnight lows, though, in the 20s and potentially a few teens. Wind chill values will make it feel like it'll be in the teens, maybe a few single digits as well, with that cold front, making for a sunny day on Thursday. Highs cooler with highs in the 40s and nearing 50 degrees. Overnight lows in the 30s there as well. Mostly sunny skies on Friday. We warm back up into the upper 50s and nearing 61 degrees. With overnight lows around 27 as another cold front makes its way into the region. Mostly cloudy skies on Saturday. Highs in the upper 40s or really in the 40s with overnight lows in the 20s. Then on Sunday, highs around 60 degrees again with 60 and in the upper 50s, I should say there, with overnight lows in the 20s there once again. So that's just a quick overview of the 6-day forecast. Real quickly though, I do want to talk about the time frame ahead and briefly talk about some data show you what could be in store possibly for the Wednesday and into the Saturday time frame. Let's take a look at that with the North American model. This is currently for the 13th here. This is for tomorrow morning. Going to continue to be dry throughout the day on on Tuesday. Some rain chances could start to enter or just go south of us really there overnight, Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. And as you can see, there's some rain chances here that could be possible as we go into Wednesday. Big talk's been about winter weather, but if you look at this, you don't see any. That's going to be the case because most of this the overall setup is just better organized to be more towards our north and east of our region. We got to have that trough a little further south, and we got to have a system kind of bring us some moisture. Our best winter weather events are when we have cold air in place and we get a storm system to move through and bring us some cooler bring us some moisture into that cold air area, and that'll help us with those rain chances. But as you can see, going into the 16th, not a whole lot still shown there, just some very small and light rain chances there for the near future. That's just continues to be the case. Maybe some small rain chances on Saturday. Either way, we're going to see some cloud cover. GFS model really just shows dry conditions. Maybe some brief stuff. It's wanting to try to pick up maybe on something. We'll see what happens with that as we go into Saturday and Sunday time frame of that, or over this weekend, I should say, really late half this week into the weekend. But once again, not a whole lot by all means, just some small rain chances there for your day on Wednesday. And that's really going to continue to be the scenario here as we go forward and we continue onward with some dry conditions. This is the Arkansas Forestry Department's wildfire danger and burn bans, currently updated as of this afternoon and evening. Lafayette County has been added to the burn ban list, as well as Hempstead County, so we just continue to add more to that. Moderate wildfire danger continues. I do think tomorrow, once again, we're going to have dry dew points, very low dew points, low relative humidity, so expect some just a little bit of an elevated wildfire danger possibly there. If we have any gusty winds, that could make that scenario an even higher scenario there for your day. But just remember that. Try to just be cautious if you got to burn. If you're in those areas of burn bans, don't burn. Don't burn. Listen to the county judges. They issue the burn bans. Make sure you stay up to date with your local officials on all of that information there as well, because your county judges are the ones who issue your burn bans and stuff of that nature. I want to say big thanks as always to all of our sponsors for making this possible, and as always, make sure to check them out: Patterson's Credit Union, Southern Dumpster Rental, Landmark Insurance Agency, Palmer's Roofing, and J&S Auto Supply, bumper to bumper. As always, If you like what you see here, hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.